Example 1. Asking someone how their weekend was.
Hey, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, thanks. I went to the park with my family.
That sounds great. Did you do anything else?
Yeah, on Sunday I stayed home and watched a movie.
Sounds like a relaxing weekend.
Example 2. Making small talk at the elevator.
Hey, good morning.
Morning. Looks like a busy day ahead.
Yeah, lots of meetings. How about you?
Same here. I just grabbed a quick coffee.
Smart move. I should have done that too.
Example 3. Running into an old friend on the street.
Hey, long time no see.
Wow, it's been ages. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. You?
Same here. Life's been crazy lately.
Let's grab a coffee sometime and catch up.
Example 4. Ordering food at a fast food restaurant.
Hi, can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a cheeseburger and some fries, please.
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a medium cola.
Great, your total is $7.50.
Example 5. Asking for help in the supermarket.
Excuse me, can you help me find the rice?
Sure, it's in aisle 4 next to the noodles.
Thank you. I've been walking around for a while.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything else.
I really appreciate it.
Example 6. Making a doctor's appointment by phone.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Sure, what day works best for you?
Is Thursday morning available?
Yes, we have a slot at 10 a.m.
Perfect, I'll take it. Thank you.
Example 7. Talking about last night's TV show.
Did you watch the new episode last night?
Yes, I did. It was so exciting.
I can't believe how it ended.
I know, right? I didn't see that coming.
Can't wait for the next one.
Example 8. Returning something at a store.
Hi, I'd like to return this shirt.
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Is there anything wrong with it?
It's too small for me, that's all.
Example 9. Calling customer service for internet issues.
Hello, my internet hasn't been working since this morning.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your account number, please?
Sure, it's 543,210.
Thanks. Let me check your connection.
Okay, I'll wait.
Example 10. Greeting a new neighbor.
Hi, I just moved in next door.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the building.
Thanks. I'm still unpacking, but it's a great place.
Let me know if you need anything.
That's very kind of you, thank you.
Example 11. Checking into a gym or fitness class.
Hi, I'm here for the yoga class at 6 p.m.
Great. Is this your first time?
Yes, I just signed up yesterday.
Welcome. You can place your things in the locker room.
Thank you. I'm excited to start.
Example 12. Talking about your favorite movie.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, I really love Forrest Gump.
Oh, that's a classic. I've seen it a few times.
The story is so touching and the music is great too.
It's one of those movies I never get tired of.
Example 13. Making weekend plans with a friend.
Hey, do you want to do something this weekend?
Sure. Maybe we can go see a movie or get dinner.
Dinner sounds good. How about Saturday evening?
Perfect. I'll text you the time and place later.
Cool. I'm looking forward to it.
Example 14. Asking someone how they commute to work.
How do you usually get to work?
I take the train. It's fast and easy.
Nice. I drive, but the traffic is terrible.
Yeah, that's why I prefer public transport.
Makes sense. It probably saves you a lot of stress.
Example 15. Talking to a co-worker about the weather.
It's so hot today.
I know, I almost melted walking here.
They said it'll be even hotter tomorrow.
I hope the office air conditioning keeps working.
Seriously, I'm not built for this heat.
Example 16. Giving simple directions to a tourist.
Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
Just go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only about a 5-minute walk.
Thank you so much for your help.
Example 17. Talking about your pet.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a small dog named Coco.
Cute. What kind of dog is she?
She's a poodle, very friendly and playful.
I take her to the park every evening.
Example 18. Running late for a meeting and informing someone.
Hey, I'm really sorry, but I'm running late.
No problem. How long do you think you'll be?
About 10 more minutes. The train was delayed.
Got it. I'll let the team know.
Thanks. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Example 19. Making a reservation at a cafe.
Hi, I'd like to book a table for 2.
Sure. What time and day?
Friday at 7 p.m., please.
Got it. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor seating?
Indoor, please. Thank you very much.
Example 20. Wishing someone a happy birthday at work.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thank you. That's so kind of you.
Did you do anything special today?
Just lunch with a few friends. It was nice.
Well, I hope you have an amazing year ahead.
Example 21. Asking for the bill at a restaurant.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right over.
Thanks, we're ready to leave.
No problem. Do you want to pay together or separately?
Together, please. Here's my card.
Example 22. Talking to someone at the bus stop.
Hi, do you know when the next bus comes?
I think it should be here in about 5 minutes.
Thanks, I'm new around here.
No worries. This route is usually on time.
That's good to know.
Example 23. Asking for help with technology.
Hey, can you help me connect to the printer?
Sure, is it not showing up on your screen?
Yeah, I've tried, but nothing works.
Let me check the Wi-Fi settings for you.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
Example 24. Complimenting someone's outfit.
Wow, I love your jacket.
Thanks. I just got it last weekend.
The color looks great on you.
That's so nice of you to say.
It really suits your style.
Example 25. Talking to a taxi driver.
Hi, Can you take me to the train station?
Sure, hop in. Any preferred route?
No, the fastest way is fine.
Okay, we should be there in about 15 minutes.
Perfect, thank you.